Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also press the bell button so that you never miss any update from me. Also do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends. It's a very good box.
কি মশা রে বাবা, কি বড় মশা। অনেকদিন মশার কামড় খাইনি, এখানে এসে মশা কামড় খাচ্ছি ভাই। I hate you.
Namaskar, namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I am SHYAMASREE. And again a different background. That's because I am right now at my Bapirwari, my own place where I grew up. So I thought to do this video right here in the veranda, and somehow I love this place. Anyways, so what I was saying, I received something, subscription box from Glamego, and thank you Glamego for sending this to me. Glamego recently collaborated with me, so yeah, so this is a collaboration. What is a subscription box? Basically it is a box where you get 3 to 4 products, depends on which, I mean there are a lot of subscription box company. So this is Glamego, you have many more. So what they do is they give certain 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 products in single box, and there are like skincare products or maybe cosmetic. It's a monthly box, and for example you pay $3.99, $4.99, $5.99 kind of. Again, different brands have different price range. So but the thing is, best thing is you pay $4.90 or $5.90 whatever, but you get products there, 3 to 4, 4 to 4 to 5 products that costs more than what you pay like for a subscription box. I feel always very excited about the subscription box. So let's see how Glamego made their November subscription box. See how pretty. This is I think the festive, you know, since it's a festive season in November, so they gave kind of this kind of packaging. The box is sturdy. So first let's see what's there in my box. So there are a lot of products here. Oops, I dropped some things, and there are 2 cards over here where there are, I mean, all the details are written over here, the product details they have given me, and also there are 5 facts written about Glamego. And by the way, as you know by the title, I will share some facts, 5 facts about me too. Here the products are, so I will read out the product's name and everything, but before that I'm gonna share 5 facts about me. So fact number 1 is I am too much a tea lover. I just cannot do without tea, and I need my tea once a day minimum. If I don't have tea, I will just be cranky the whole day. So that's fact number 2 is I have 2 more brothers, and I am the youngest, and I have 2 more elder brothers. One who lives in Australia, the elder one, and the second elder one lives in Canada. So fact number 2 is that. Fact number 3 is I am a very sensitive person. I cry easily, I laugh like a mad person, I am easily hurt. Yeah, so this is it. So I am basically very sensitive person. I don't know that I don't know whether it is good or bad. And yeah, fact number 4 is I am a sari lover. Oh my god, I love saris a lot. I mean every time I plan to buy something like a dress or gown type thing, but ultimately I end up buying a sari because I don't know, I just love sari. I just love wearing it, and that's it. Fact number 5 is I am a professional dancer. I am trained in Odissi. I have completed my graduation in Odissi. I do share my dance videos in another profile of mine, that's SHYAMASREE Nandi, and there I have all my dance performances. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, I think many of them guessed it, like I know dance. I wanted to share this in 5 facts about me. So that was all about me. Now let's start and know about Glamego. But let me tell you about first about Glamego. The Glamego is India's #1 beauty box. Okay, so I'll tell you 5 facts about Glamego as well. The first fact is Glamego is 100% original and genuine products. I mean, the products what they give are 100% original. There are no kind of fake products or dupe products. Okay. Number 2, Glamego's products are sourced directly from premium and luxury brands only. Okay. Fact number 3 is Glamego includes products which can be used every day. So yeah, that's another good fact about Glamego. Now fact number 4 is they have lakhs of happy and satisfied customers all over India. And the last fact is, which is the biggest and the truest fact, that is you get more than 4 times of what you pay. So anyways, I told you at the first that it's very good about a subscription box. It's the best fact. You pay a lump sum amount, but then you get products which costs more than that, and when they combine it like 4 to 5 products, so it becomes more than what you actually pay. Now I will be reading out what they have in the box. So first is, as well as I will show you guys. So the first is Bewidshree liquid lipsticks that cost rupees 599, so almost 600. And this is the, do you hear? My niece is crying. She's very sweet. Anyways, this is Bewidshree and Ultimate Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the net volume of this liquid lipstick is 3.7 ml, and the shade they have given is 06 Wild Child. So let's see how the color is. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. So this is the color. I think this is, I'll just give a lip swatch as well. But let me first swatch it on hand. Let's wait till it gets matte. Moving on to another product, the second product, Health Wit Activated Charcoal Tooth Powder, that costs rupees 300. Okay, I never knew such a product exists. It's very nice. This is a Health Wit, and Health Wit is a good company, and it is here is the product. Excuse my chipped nails. So activated charcoal powder for natural teeth whitening. They say clean and strong teeth, protects gums and fights plaque. So this is rupees 300. Here all the instruction is given. I'll just read out what is the advantage of this. By using Health Wit amazing activated charcoal teeth whitening powder, your teeth will start to regain their lost brightness and spotless image, and it will enhance the whiteness of your teeth. So if we use it, they claim all this. So we'll use it. I will use it, and also I will give a review on this later on. So let's move on to the third product. That's Bio Bloom from the company Bio Bloom. It's a water lily body mist, and this costs ₹450. So the whole box is like of $3.99. Product itself is like $450, and we have also had the lipstick of $5.99. Then the activated charcoal is like $300. See, it's all worth it. So they have a body mist from the brand Bio Bloom. This looks like this. It's 50 ml, all skin types, water lily. Oh my god. Oh wow, it's so refreshing. Wow, smells too good. Do not spray into your eyes, free from parabens, no synthetic fragrance. Okay, this is really nice. I loved it. And this you can carry in the travel bag also. So it's a travel friendly bottle and good. Okay, the fourth one is Sesa. I think you have heard of this, Sesa. They have their oil as well. So this is Sesa Mud Hair Spa Kit, and this costs ₹99. It's a 3-step therapy for silky, shiny and healthy hair, ideal for unisex use. So I'll just I will also use this and give a review on this, so you can keep an eye on my Instagram, and also I will put it on my YouTube post, the review of this, so those who don't have Instagram. So let's come to the last product. Okay, this, oh my god, this is Palmer's body lotion sample. This is Palmer's cocoa butter formula with vitamin E. Daily skin therapy. Daily skin therapy softens, relieves rough, dry skin, 24-hour moisture. I'll surely use this right now. Oh my god, this smells like chocolate. This is so good. Really good. I am just loving this subscription box. Really, not just because they have they collaborated with me, but then each and every product is very good, very good. So I just can't resist now. I need to apply this lipstick. I didn't know that they have a lipstick here because I did not open it from before. I just opened it with you all guys, so I did not carry a mirror, so I'll just this is so good. I did not even dip it twice. With one swipe, so good. Let me see if I layer it up. So this was all about this Glamego subscription box, and I am highly impressed with this subscription box. I will be since I don't live here in Kolkata, otherwise I would have bought it monthly. I mean, such a good way, you know, you get to use lot of different products, and then you can try, and then again if you want you can buy. For example, I will again search for some more colors from Bella Voste. This feels so, this is not too, you know, too much drying. Also let it dry completely, and then I will do a transfer proof test. This is just awesome. I'm sorry, I was looking at myself. But what can I do? Just see the color. Oh my god, this is such a good red, man. I was planning to buy something from MAC, right, like this kind of red. I don't have this kind of red apart from Ruby Woo in liquid lipstick. I mean, this is just awesome. Thank you so much Glamego for this color, and this will suit many of the Indian skin tone. No transfer. no transfer at all. A big thumbs up for this lipstick, and this is very comfortable on the lips, and I just can't resist myself from looking at myself. I'm so sorry. So that was all about it. Thank you again. I can't thank you enough, Glamego, for this beautiful box. I will need this for my personal use as well. Thank you for watching. Please be beside me. Please support me the way you are supporting. Share my videos with your friends, whichever you like, and give a thumbs up. Do ask me questions if you have. I'll see you very soon. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life: live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh Mika this laugh. Bye and take care.